Okay guys, this is a 2015 Chrysler 200C all-wheel drive. Again, all-wheel drive, red calipers, clean title trade-in that we got. It's got Alpine stereo, power everything, nice leather seats. Start it up here for me. So 86,000 miles on it. Adaptive cruise. Heated cooled seats, heated steering wheel. Remote start. Does have a sunroof. This is a panoramic sunroof. Okay, 2015 Chrysler 200C all-wheel drive, clean title. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.